it's Miss Lydia. I wanted to read you a book today. It is about money. It is called The Coin Counting Book. So we are going to read this together. The Coin Counting Book by Rozanne Lanczak Williams. One penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4. What will we get when we add just one more? 1 penny plus 1 penny plus 1 penny plus 1 penny plus 1 penny equals 1 nickel. That means that 5 pennies is 1 nickel. Let's count our 5 pennies just one more time. If we add 5 more pennies, we'll have, I'm guessing what you guys are saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll have 10 cents. So we'll have 1 penny plus 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 1 penny equals 1 dime. So if you said dime earlier, then you were right. What else equals a dime or 10 cents? 5 pennies and 1 nickel. That makes perfect sense. 1 penny plus 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 1 nickel equals 1 dime. There's one more way to make a dime. Put down 2 nickels, one at a time. 1 nickel plus 1 nickel equals 1 dime. Look, lots of pennies. Can you count 25? Let's see if we can do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's 25 pennies. 5 pennies plus 5 pennies plus 5 pennies plus 5 pennies plus 5 pennies equals 25 pennies. But it's faster, it's quicker if we count them by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 pennies. We might drop a few. We have too many pennies. What can we do? We can trade for 1 quarter, shiny and new. That's a quarter. 2 dimes and a nickel make 1 quarter too. So do 5 nickels. 5 nickels for you. So there's a dime, and a nickel, which is 10, 20, 25. And then this is 5 nickels. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now we're going to do it on this page again. Whoops, I was ahead of it. 1 dime plus 1 dime plus 1 nickel equals 1 quarter. 1 nickel plus 1 nickel plus 1 nickel plus 1 nickel plus 1 nickel equals 1 quarter. Let's trade all our coins, our nickels and dimes. Quarters are better. They save counting time. What can we do with 2 quarters, my friend? We can trade both of them for 1 coin to spend. What coin is that going to be? What coin can we trade 2 quarters for? 50 cents, $1/2. There are many ways to make this amount. Let's jump right in and start to count. 1 quarter plus 1 quarter equals $1/2. 1 dime plus 1 dime plus 1 dime plus 1 dime plus 1 dime equals $1/2. 1 nickel plus 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 1 nickel equals $1/2. I think I would rather have the $1/2 than all those nickels because that was a lot to count. We have lots of coins. We have so many. Can we trade them in for some money less heavy? How about $1? What makes $1? Let's count pennies by tens. 10 pennies plus 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 10 pennies equals $1. It's fun counting pennies. Let's count them again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we know that 100 cents equals $1. And in this case, they're using a dollar coin instead of the dollar bill. What else makes $1? It's important to know. Spread out our coins. Let's have a coin show. 20 nickels, 4 quarters, and 10 dimes in a row. Let's count out dollars. 20 nickels equals $1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100 cents is $1. Ready, set, go. 10 dimes is $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. $1. 4 quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100. $1. 4 quarters is $1. And our half dollars, 50, 100. 2 half dollars equals $1. We've counted our money, lots for me and for you. Our pockets are full. Now what do we do? Let's see. Well, that all depends. If we save some of it, the rest we can spend. So now we've got some little coin equations to look at. So this one, maybe if I do it this way. This one right here, we have pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies equals a nickel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies equals a dime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies plus 5, which is 1 nickel. 5 plus 5 equals 10, which is a dime. 5 plus 5 is 10, which is a dime. A dime, which is 10. Another dime, 20. 25, because that's a nickel, is a quarter. And then more nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is a quarter. And then 25, 50 cents, that's 2 quarters and a half dollar. Then we have our dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is 50 cents. Then we have, we got a lot of nickels here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's our 50-cent piece right there. And then quarters, 25, 50, 75, 100 equals 100 cents, which can be a dollar or the dollar coin. And then we have our dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 equals, again, the dollar coin, or that could be a dollar. We finished it. The end. I hope you enjoyed the coin counting book, and we had a little bit of a review about counting our coins. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.